Greetings. My name is Jacob Mahlangu, a student of the Gordon Institute of Business Science. The subject matter I will be delving on today is the information and knowledge management. My focus will be on the business scenario 1 of the SAS Institute, which focuses on business analytics software and is also a service company. It provides software applications that include business intelligence, data integration, fraud management, financial intelligence, and the management of their customer base. It believes that in order to be an effective global player, they need to expose their key identified talent to their operations and businesses around the world. 50% of resources are being poached by other competitors around the world. The other 50% remains a component which is left with the existing portfolios and work, which starts becoming a key main dependency that brings other issues on the ground, such as unrealistic demands to loss in junior staff due to unhappy working environments. SAS are looking for advice to eliminate this problem and ensure they gain value from the investments they are making in this global secondment program. Therefore, this assignment will be based on giving them and providing them with advice.
The executive summary consists of the SAS Institute being a business analytics software and service company, competitors poaching 50% of their resources and knowledge, 50% being retained by portfolio and work, leading to unhappy staff and dependency problems.
Guidance to SAS on how to approach this problem. SAS needs to have an orientation program with its unhappy employees, such as what LEAP terms as exit interviews, to retrieve their tacit knowledge about the organization, their processes and procedures. This will be able to help the organization be able to manage their knowledge in a way that is easy for staff to find knowledge and data and be able to use it effectively. Knowledge sharing in the organization, which has resulted to competitors poaching, can be shared discreetly, such as knowing the intelligence, what to focus on, and the exact people the knowledge is supposed to be shared with, instead of dispersing knowledge all over the place, rendering the institute vulnerable. Legal and regulatory awareness should be emphasized in the organization so that information exploitation by competitors can be dealt with effectively. Leadership should create a safe space for staff to talk about its failures for the intentions of course correction so that they can work on their shortcomings without feeling like they are being blamed. There should also be an allowance of job shadowing so that employees do not become fully responsible for blunders through reducing the opportunity for blunders in the first place. There should be an improvement in coaching in the working environment. And there should be an enhancement of the sessions for knowledge exchange where solutions could be shared among seniors and juniors. In order to retain the identified talent, the company can offer incentives for better performance, develop a plan for employees, get employees involved in decision making and allowing them to contribute to the body of knowledge, inspire collaboration and coordination, create rotational programs where employees get to be flexible and not stuck on cyclical, repetitive positions that cause fatigue and anxiety and dissatisfaction in their positions. The employees should be encouraged to write journals about their work experiences so that they can have clarity. There should be an offering to employees of counseling and therapy sessions to relieve them of stress. Mentoring should be offered where senior management works closely with junior staff to motivate them. Employees should be offered surveys to find out their overall perception of the institute and the role it plays. There should also be an improvement in learning and development so that employees could contextualize their talent to fit the environment while they hone their skills. terms of eliminating key dependency problems, the company should only sustain and maintain relevant information, that is the GIGO method, garbage in, garbage out. Encourage interactions instead of working in silos where tacit-to-tacit knowledge could be shared. The Institute needs to utilize its resources such as machine learning to effectively manage its data. It should also use its own softwares to deal with artificial intelligence to eliminate human errors. Such technology should be utilized. The Institute needs to engage in data analytics to find out how its staff could work in a less wasteful manner regarding data, what is known as the lean strategy. In order to sustain the solutions once they are in place, I would sustain them through solution application, reviews, amendments, and constant execution. Practice after action review consisting on revisiting the initial objective, recording the actual results, ascertaining lessons from the comparison, and through repetitive experiments. I would focus on capturing the information or solutions that are generated, what they are, how they are captured, where they are captured, who is capturing them, and the manner in which they are captured. In terms of measuring success in resolving the problem once it is within the execution mode, they can monitor the execution and report on its success or failures. There should be a mechanism for knowledge transfer which is put in place. There should exist a model for the execution. There should be an emphasis on the benefits that are expected or the outcome expected from the execution to ensure that the execution is achieving what it is supposed to achieve. I thank you.